Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Lock Screen. Following that, you need to tap on Screen Lock Type and pick one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it. Now enter your login method, and when you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner. Now you need to repeat it and select Confirm. Over here, you can adjust notifications on your lock screen however you wish to, or switch them off completely by tapping on the switcher over here. When you're ready, save your changes by tapping on them. Now, if you wish to back up your pattern, click on Continue. I don't want to do, so I will go with Home button. And now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!